Raptor truck, and in my opinion, there are 3 things that you have to do right away. There's not a whole lot that this thing needs. Pretty much comes out the gate just with everything, with the Fox shocks in the back, you name it, this truck has it. However, there were a couple of little things, and this video is basically to talk about 3 things that I think any Raptor owner should do immediately. So let's jump right in. First, it's not super noticeable, but the front is actually about 2.5 inches lower than the back. So on the front, if we measure from right there to the line on the tire, let's just call that about 10 inches. Now on the back, going from the same point down to the line on the tire, that's about 12.5. So by doing the springs, the eye-box springs on the front, it's not necessarily lifting it, but it's just leveling the truck. Because as it sits right now, the back is probably about 2.5 inches higher. The second is I'm not really sure why they put this big goofy antenna on. You really don't see this on a lot of cars anymore. This is something that is very inexpensive and in my opinion is going to change the look of the truck quite a bit to replace it. So this is the antenna replacement that I went with. This is from Built Right Industries for the 17 to 19 Raptor, and it looks like it just screws right on. Super simple, super low profile, and in my opinion will definitely look a lot better than the existing antenna that it came with. Alright, so the third thing, this is not specific just to the Raptor. In my opinion, every car you own should have one of these, and I have one in every one of my cars. This is a dash camera. Looks just like this. It's pretty small, low profile. I get it mounted just right up here, right behind the mirror. So when you're sitting here as a driver, you don't even see it. So there's the front facing here with audio, HD, all of that stuff. Then there's the rear facing that will obviously go that way. And to me, it's kind of like having a fire extinguisher under the sink. You buy it, you put it there, you hope you never need it, but if you do, it's something really good to have. So imagine you are pulled over and you have video proving that you were not guilty of whatever you were doing. Say you were involved in an auto accident. In fact, one time that I had mine, I was behind somebody that ran a stop sign and ran over a pedestrian and killed that person. So I was able to submit that evidence to the police and help them with their investigation. Anyways, this one is the F800 Pro. This is the one I highly recommend. I've got this in 2 other vehicles. It's great. Bought it off Amazon. A couple $100. It's one of those things. Pop it up there. You never know when you're going to need it, and then just forget about it. For those of you familiar with my channel, you know it's primarily about guns and hunting. If you are new, check my channel out, be sure to subscribe and turn notifications on for more Raptor videos. Many modifications are in the works. Stay tuned.